if you take a look right now, how actually I'm going to move my hands by drawing some of the what we call that portrait of faces directly, even though I'm going to use my kind of imaginations that to work with. Okay, try to see like how actually I move my hands when I draw from here. Okay, I draw a person right now. Okay, draw the shadows, the structures of his hairline and strokes there, right? And right now I'm start to draw the eyebrows over here. See that? The eyes from side profiles there. And then I'm going to draw the nose itself, right? And the lips. Okay? And the chin over here. Okay, even though I don't have space to draw the ears, I'm not going to continue to work with it, right? Okay? Don't try to continue to draw some of the areas that you won't be able to complete there, okay, because of your space over here. So if you guys can see right now like how actually going to work on that, okay, the measurement, the alignment that I saw from this one and the details there, right, they're going to look a bit on the faces, right, just like a human face over here. If I actually add those beard, they become me. Okay, and I can also add some of the glasses over here. See the way, the important things that you guys can see from here, okay, is how I actually move my hands to solve some of the problems that you find difficult when you want to draw in a conventional kind of way of working. All right, so this is it. Thank you very much.